The driver and piston assembly consists of the piston and the driver. The piston pushes the driver down the cylinder to drive the nails into your workpiece. The most common issue with the piston assembly is damage to the driver. Over time, the tip of the driver will wear. Eventually it can round off, which can cause nails to jam. Sometimes the tip will crack or break off. This causes the gun to no longer drive the nails completely. The tip of the driver might also be broken if a nail strikes something hard, like concrete or a piece of metal. Replacing the driver and piston assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the head from the nail gun. With the head removed, now I can use a long Allen wrench to push the piston and driver out of the cylinder. Now I can install the new driver. The first thing I'll do is transfer the piston ring from the old piston to the new. You'll want to inspect the ring. If it shows signs of wear, you'll want to replace it. Now I can install the piston back into the cylinder. You'll notice the piston has kind of a D shape to it. I'll need to align that shape with the opening in the nose piece. Now I can reinstall the head. I'll place the screws with the bumpers back onto the head, and then I'll place the gasket over the screws. And now I can place this assembly back onto the nail gun. And that's all it takes to install a new driver and piston kit in your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.